Okay, what I have is my second reassessment for assessment number 2 on position, velocity, and acceleration. What we have is we have a guy that drives west, and his initial speed is 35 miles an hour for 30 minutes. He then increases his speed to 60 miles an hour for 2 hours, and finally he continues west at 25 miles an hour for another 10 minutes. What we're doing is we're trying to find the average velocity. So the first thing I did was I converted all of our times to hours. So for the first interval, we drove for 30 minutes. So 30 divided by or 60 divided by 30 gives us 0.5 hours. For the second time interval, we were already in hours, so we just leave it the same, 2 hours. And then for time 3, it was 10 minutes, so 10 divided by 60 gives us about 1.7 hours. The second thing that I did was I totaled up the distances for each leg of the drive. So distance 1, we went 35 miles an hour, and we went for 0.5 hours, which came out to be we went 17.5 miles in that 30 minute. In the 30 minutes. For distance 2, we went 60 miles for 2 hours. It comes out to be 120 miles. And then for distance 3, we went 25 miles an hour for 0.17 hours, and it came out to be 4.25 miles. To find the average velocity, then I totaled up the time. We had 0.5 plus 2 plus 0.17 gives us 2.67 hours. And finally, what I did was to find the average velocity, we do the changes in displacement over the change in time. So what I did was I added up all of our distances, so 17.5 miles plus 120 miles plus 4.25 miles, and then I divided it by our total time, which is 2.67, and the average velocity of the car came out to be 53.1 miles per hour in the west direction. Like I said, this is assessment 2 on acceleration, position, and velocity.